Alright guys, so you just watched the video about the spinners and you might be wondering what that has to do with profit. Well, or with math. It's profit. Okay, so first I want you to think about, to make those spinners, someone had to go out and they had to mine the ore from the ground. Then someone else had to take the ore that they mined and make it into metal that can be used for the spinner or anything that's metal, okay? But we're talking about spinners. Then somebody that works with metal, a metal worker, had to take that metal and then make it into a spinner. And then the store had to buy a bunch of the spinners and put them in nice little boxes and sell them. And then finally, a consumer, you go to the store and you buy one. But every step of the way, somebody has to be making a profit to be making money, right? Okay, so when you sell something, I want you to think about it. When you sell something, do you get to keep all the money that you make? So think for just a minute. Hopefully you said no, because no, usually you don't. A lot of the times, guys, you have to pay somebody for the material you want to use. So even if you're making a lemonade stand, you have to go to the store and you have to buy the lemonade and the cups and the ice and everything that you would want to put in your lemonade in order to sell it. Then you sell it, and you have to, if you borrowed the money from your mom to buy the stuff for the lemonade, you'd have to pay back your mom. So you don't get to keep all the money. So how can we figure out how much money that we get to keep? Well, what we're going to do is you subtract the cost of the materials from the total amount that you sold it for, okay? And this is called profit, okay? There's an actual formula we're going to write down, and our notes are really short today, okay? So profit is our title. And what you're going to do for profit is you're going to take your income, okay, how much you made selling whatever you're selling, minus the expenses, how much you had to pay for all the material to make it, and that's going to equal your profit, how much money you make total. All right, so get that written in your journals.